So I will now open this Flymo Pac-a-shredder. It's model Husqvarna. This one has got quite a few years on it, but I hope I will be able to make it last a little bit longer. So first we need the pointy thing. Just open this one. Inside there's a screw. And I can dig into the back. There are more screws. I also want to use this cable. If you just remove one screw and loosen the other, just put it inside. This other one isn't even a screw, you can just turn it. And this cable is now completely loose. Put this screw back so it won't disappear. And then continue with the other screws here. So I have now removed 3 screws here and 3 screws here, and there are 2 more on top here. Now this is fairly loose. So now you want to remove these screws. Make sure this one can, you want to remove this plastic cover. Now you can take down this. Be careful, it's not this. And now this plastic cover is completely free, but make sure that these ones are, they have to come through that hole. Also make sure to push these ones in so they don't get stuck in this plastic. Now we want to remove it from the metal frame. It's just 2 nuts here. It's just 13mm. And you may have to hold again with a screwdriver. Like this. Just put the nuts here and then it can be just lifted off. May want to remove this axle. It's a good place to just set it back here. Now this one can be quickly removed. And you want to remove this top cover. Also make sure you unscrew this reset button. This. And it should come fairly straight off. So now we'll be able to look into this release mechanism. And this. And then there are quite a lot of screws holding it together here. So you will first release this control panel. Now remove all these screws. You will also have to loosen these two screws. You can just remove the entire thing. You will also have to remove these four, or you will not remove them, you just have to loosen them a bit. So much that you can pull this one back. Maybe half a centimeter. And with this one loosened, you can pull it back like this, and the cover should be able to just go off. And here we have the inside of the Flymo Pac-a-shredder. You can remove this completely, it's no problem. You will get access to the big knife if you want to lube that. You also have the quick release with the cable that is fixed here. You have the fan. I had a problem with the plastic here being bent in the heat. I used the heat gun and bent it back. Yeah, that's basically it.